Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you 10 high-paying Christian side hustle that you can start today. Whether you are looking to make extra money or grow your faith or use your talent, these hustles are perfect for you. Let's dive in and please subscribe to this channel. 1. Christian coaching. Take Sarah for example. She is a life coach who helps Christian women find balance between work and faith. She offers online sections and make over $5,000 per month. 2. Faith-based blogging. James started his Christian blog, Faith in Action, where he shares his daily devotional thoughts. He now makes steady income from ad and sponsorship, earning around $3,000 monthly. 3. Sell Christian products online. Rachel, for instance, created a hand-printed Bible verses mug and now making up to $4,000 a month from my eBay store. 4. Virtual assistant for churches. Michael work as a virtual assistant for a church and help them manage their online presence. He make $2,500 monthly from his part-time job. 5. Christian YouTube channel. Tom started his YouTube channel called Living His Word and now makes over $3,000 a month from YouTube ad and sponsorship. 6. Christian fitness trainer. Emily created a program called Faith and Fitness, combining Bible scriptures with working out roots. She now earns $4,000 a month with online courses. 7. Christian author and ebook writer. David wrote a devotional book, ebooks that sell on Amazon. He earned $2,500 a month in passive income. 8. Christian podcasting. Anne started a podcast called Faithful Conservation and now make up to $5,000 monthly through donations and sponsorship. 5. Christian event planning. Lucia started her own event planning, specializing in Christian weddings. She make around $6,000 per event. 10. Christian social media management. John helped local church with social media, creating posts and promoting events. He made over $3,000 monthly managing multiple accounts. And there you have it. 10 high-paying Christian side hustles you can start today. Whether you are helping others grow in their faith, sharing your talent, or creating content that glorify God, this also allows you to serve others while earning money. Let us know in the comments which one excites you most, and do not forget to subscribe for more faith-filled tips and ideas.